Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. See student, this is a front page of our English Vikas Golden Grammar Book 3. Okay, now today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter, okay, which is based on question words. Before that, I would like to give you such information which is regarding to our chapter. Now see here, first of all, this explanation, okay. See here, I want to know the who when I use who when I want to know about the person. For example, I ask like this, who is calling? Who are you? Who will reach the phone first? Like this, okay. When I want to know this information, at that time I use to frame my question who. Okay, got it student? Now see the next one, where. Okay, when we use where for framing the question, when I want to know the position, see here student, when I want to know the position or place. Okay, let's see the question, where. Okay, where should I go? Okay, when I want to get the information about any place, at that time I use where. Okay, also where do you live? Okay, when I want to know the place, at that time I frame these types of question, where do you live, where should I go? Okay, now let's see the next one, when. Okay, I want to know the time, occasion or moment, at that time I use when. Okay, again I will repeat for you. When I want to know about time, occasion or moment, at that time I use when to frame my question. Let's see the examples about when. See here, when can I go on vacation? On vacation, when. Okay, at that time we use when because we want to know the time, exactly the moment or any occasion. Okay, when can I go on vacation? Okay, one more question for you, when can you meet me? Okay, it's related to time. At that time I use when to frame my question. Now see the next one, why. I want to know the reason, the explanation. At that time I use why to frame the question. Reason or explanation, at that time I use why. Let's see the example, why. Why are you angry? Why? Because I want to know the explanation or reason. At that time I frame the question like this, why are you angry? Okay, one more examples, why are you angry? Why are you crying? Why are you laughing? Like this. Okay student, only this point you have to learn, you have to think, you have to take practice of these explanation points. Okay, now see the next one, what. Specific thing or object When I want to know, at that time I use what to frame my question. What for specific thing or object. Let's see the example. What? What is making that sound? Okay. What is making that sound? At that time I use what for specific thing or specific object. Okay. One more example. What is your name? Okay. What is your brother name? What is your sister name? What are you doing here? Specific thing or object. At that time we use what to frame our questions. Now next, which. I use which when I want to know to choice or alternative. At that time I frame my question with which. Okay. To ask your choice or alternative. At that time I use which. Let's see the example. Let's see the examples. Which dish should I choose? Which dish should I choose? Okay. At that time I use which. Okay, student. Let's see. Let's see the example again, which is start from which. Which is your pen? Okay, I give you the choice or I ask you about choice or alternative. Okay, now next one, how. When I want to know way, manner, form, at that time I use how. Let's check out the example. How. See here. How do I stop the baby from crying? Okay, means way. About the manners. We ask the question, we frame the question with how. How do I stop the baby from crying? How did you know my name? Okay, at that time we use how. Okay, student. Now again, begin with the first one, question words. We frame question words from using these words who, where, when, why, what, which and how. These are some question words. It's called a question words. When we want to frame, when we want to ask any question, at that time we use these words to frame our questions. Okay. Now let's see again the examples which is given in this information chart. Who is calling? Who will reach the phone first? Who? At that time I use who to ask the person or yes, any person. At that time we use who. Now next, where. Where should I go? We use where to ask to do about the position or place. Okay, the next one, when. When can I go on vacation? Okay, when. When we want to ask about the time, occasion or moment, at that time we use when. Okay, now next, why. Why are you angry? Okay, why are you crying? We use why when we want to know about the reason or the explanation about anything. At that time we use why to frame the question. Now next, what. What is making that sound? Okay, about what. If you want to specific thing about information about specific thing, if you want any information about specific object, at that time we frame the question with the help of what. Now next, which. Which dish should I choose? Okay, we use which when we want to frame the question about choice or when we want to want to get the information about any alternative. At that time we frame the question start with which. When we want to give any alternative or choice to the other person, at that time we frame the question with the help of which. Now next, how. How do I stop the baby from crying? At that time we frame the question with begin with how. Means we use how about the way, about when we ask about any way, any manner, any form. At that time we use how to frame the questions. Okay student. Now see. This all related to our next chapter, chapter number 12, question words. Now, I will read the information given in a grammar book. A question is a sentence that asked for information. It's very important, student. When we want to ask any information, at that time we ask questions. Okay. A questions begins with a capital letter and end with a question mark. It is also very important for this chapter. The question begins with a capital letter always. Okay. And let's see these question words: what, who, whom, whose, which, when, where, why and how. All these questions begin with a capital letters. Okay. And always remember, all the questions ends with a question mark. Let's see here student, this is called a question mark. Okay, it's very important. Otherwise, if you are not put the question mark, it called the sentence only. It's not framing the question words. Okay, so question marks is very important. This is a sign of the question. Yes, about the questions. Okay, it's very important to give question mark at the end. Okay, now just see the next one. A question generally begins with the following question words. Okay, already I will read for you these words. Okay, again we see which is given the examples in a grammar book. What is your name? Question mark. Who took my pen? Question mark. Whom are you waiting for? Question mark. Whose book is this? Question mark. Which is your pen? We give alternative or choice, and again at the end we put question mark. Don't forget to put the question mark, otherwise it's framing like a sentence only. It's not framing a question sentence. It's only sentence. When can you meet me? Question mark. Where do you live? Question mark. Why are you angry? Question mark. How did you know my name? Question mark. When you ask a question, let your voice rise in pitch at the end. Okay, it's also very important. It's one of the practice of the your tone, your voice. Okay, like this. How did you know my name? Okay, because you want to ask the question, so your voice rise in the pitch at the end. Okay, now let's see the exercise given in a book. Fill in the blanks with the correct question words, then read the question loudly, letting your voice rise in pitch at the end. Okay, now just see, I will complete this exercise for you. You also write down the same exercise in your grammar book and complete your grammar book and take the practice. Let's see first one. Where is that girl? Okay, the picture is also help you to frame the question. Where is that girl? Because we want to get the information about the person. That's why we use here where. Next one. When will the school bell ring? We want to ask the time That's why we use here when. When will the school bell ring? Next. What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? How are you feeling today? Okay, we ask about their position, their feelings. So we use here how are you feeling today? Where have you hidden the keys? Because we want to ask you the place. That's why we use here where. Where have you hidden the keys? Okay, now next. Whose shoes are these? Okay, we want to ask the person. Okay, so we use here whose shoes are these. Why didn't you come for my party? Okay, why did not or why didn't you come for my party? We ask the reason. Whom have you invited to the party? Okay, whom have you invited to the party? That's why we use here whom. Where shall I keep my bag? We ask you about the place. So we use here where. Where shall I keep my bag? Which shirt do you like best? We get the information about choice or alternative. That's why we use here which. Which shirt do you like best? Okay. Now student, you all complete this exercise in your grammar book and also learn all the information given in a grammar book and also more information which I have give you in this lecture. Okay student, this is very important to know when we use these question words. When you get it clearly, then it's very easy to you to frame the questions. Okay student, thank you.